How to create Wish account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Create, Log and Delete. In this video, I will be showing you guys the simplest way to create Wish account. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Wish app. At the bottom, you can find two options, sign up and login. Tap on the option sign up. Now here you have to fill up this information. Firstly, enter your first name and last name. Enter your email address. Enter password for your Wish account. After you are done, tap on create account. Now here choose what type of store do you have. Here I'm gonna choose brick and mortar store. After you are done, tap on continue. Now here you have to enter your store name. After you are done, tap on continue. Now here you have to enter your store information. Firstly, enter your store address line 1. After you fill up your store address, other options will also be automatically filled up. You can also enter your store address line 2 if you are interested. Now tap on continue. Now here you have to set business hours for opening and closing period. Just select the day and put the time period. Please make sure these hours are accurate and match other websites. After you are done, tap on continue. Now here you have to select a store category. Tap on that drop down, select your store category and then tap on submit. Now here you can add a photo. For now I will be skipping this process. And here you can see that I have just created my Wish account. In this way you can easily create your Wish account. I hope now you guys are clear about it. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.